working with bills of material and items in your database in terms of updating the prices, and alternate methods basically in this demonstration rather than some of the preferred or most efficient automated methods, either using NetPricer or trade service. This demonstration is on alternate methods of updating your database or your project in terms of project pricing. Now, the first part there's going to be two parts of this video. First part is actually just getting a bill of material or an item list from the database out into a format that I'm going to show into an Excel format, and then to be able to email to a supplier. In the second part of the demonstration is actually as requesting that in that spreadsheet to the supply house or manufacturer is to fill out current pricing, either for day-to-day pricing or as considered project pricing for the current job, and be able to use a utility in the Conest database in order to update the components from a given list, either again supplied to the supply house and returned back to you, or it could be actually just a spreadsheet given to you in from a supply house in a format in the program. In the second video I'll show you as a mapping utility to conveniently map your supplier spreadsheet as well. Now, first thing is to show a couple of methods to run some reports. I've actually got a bill of material in an existing project, so the first report that I may want to run, I'm going to go to the Summary tab in the project, and I'm going to run a couple of reports here. If I want to report based on catalog number and I don't have a universal price code traditionally, I'm going to run a material cost request. It's basically going to run a report here that gives me manufacturer and catalog number and a description, and I'm going to show another report in the Summary tab up here in the print. We're going to go to item number, and we're going to select price code and remove labor and quote, just get the material with price code. And here's a second report that has description. There's a material unit in here and a price code. Now this report here, I'm going to demonstrate with up here in the top left corner. I can print this and fax it to a supply house, but I can then, as an option, print it or export it to Excel or Word or a CSV or even a text file. I'm going to go out to an Excel file. And I can take this file now and send it, do a file save as possibly. Send it to JexPro. Hit save, and now I have the file sent out to my supply house. Now, going into the database, item maintenance, I can go into any area of the database. And I might select some Infinity style faceplates here. And I can choose now, as I select a header or a category or actually take note of any item number here. Now in the item maintenance, in any report or in the print report, I can select master item report by manufacturer, and then be given an option to select the entire category for Hubble, or whatever category name I select, a specific header, in this case the faceplate option or header, and then any other item number from, maybe a whole pile of these patch cords, I could take and note the beginning item number to the last item number, and then select that range. And then let me just grab the header. Again, I've got it out into Crystal Reports, move it into Excel, send it off to my supply house. So there's a couple of different options in creating a report, either from the database or for the bill of material. That ends the first part of this video on updating or alternate methods of updating your database.